Yeah, here is the place where we have planned to have the historical center in Matebete village. That room, which is now started to be built with bricks, the place where we have the hall where we can get different seminars and teachings, because here will be the historical center that we can learn and invite people, especially Maasai elders, to tell us about the history of the Maasai, so that we can still keep the history of the Maasai. This place, it is also designed as a place where there is rooms for the guests coming, to visitors, different missionaries. They can be here and have rooms to stay safe. And we have another place, that side we have rooms for storing different Maasai stuff for keeping Maasai history, so that generation and generation can learn something from here and keep many history about the Maasai. And we have another side, this side, we have already planned also for a dining hall where the guests can have chakula, food here, and have rooms to sleep, and have rooms to see the staff, and have rooms to teach the class about the Word of God. Different missionaries, they can have a place where it's very comfortable and enough place for teaching different classes and different age groups, because in Maasai sometimes it's somehow difficult to teach this all people, because they have groups. There is elders, Morani, women, and young girls. So there are special meetings. So we have a room for all the groups where each group can come at a certain time. And sometimes we can join together and have different lessons from different missionaries and or from different Maasai elders who knows about the history of the Maasai. And this center, we have agreed to name as Reverend Yohana Ngeke Center. He's the first Maasai pastor to be a pastor. He was the first Christian, and he became a first evangelist, and he became the first pastor among the Maasai, especially in South Tanzania. Reverend Ngeke passed last year, and we are humbled and honored to name this center his name as a history for memory of Reverend Yohana Ngeke. And now you see we have bricks, we have started building, and there we have people who are helping us to make the center together with Evelyn. She's there looking and discussing something with them about the center. She's the one who is supervising this building. She is going to help us, especially in keeping good records about the center. And we have a big tree. This is a very historical tree, which the Maasai normally meet here and have many meetings. So now we have this tree, and we have a center near the tree. So when we need to be outside, we can be under the tree. And when the rain comes, we come to the center and stay inside safely. Thank you very much for this short explanation about the work we are doing here in Matebete village.